do you remix? Seems to be a little confusion. So if you were in the push 10 chat room, you select on whatever one you were looking for or whatever remix. There's a question in here. So I will go to the templates, and it looks like someone wanted the lead gen one, which is over here. You click on that, you get the link. Just go ahead and click on the link. It will open up in a new window. Let it open up in a new window, and we're opening. And once it pops up, it assumes you're logged in. If you're not logged in, it's going to direct you to log in. At that point in time, you click Remix to make a copy of your own. You give it a name and click Remix. At that point in time, you can begin editing it. I'm not going to click it right now because I'm on the wrong browser, I realized. So technically logged into the wrong account. But once you're there, then just follow the prompts given that we're down below over here with what it does and how to do, everything that needs to be done. In this case, you need to go to Outscraper, and it tells you where to go. Outscraper.com to get to create an API key. Go high level to get the info needed there. Firecrawl.dev to get a key that's needed there. You input those secrets, and voila, you're up and running. Thank you.